What's going on, guys? Brennan here, back again with another video for you guys, and this is my $600 gaming PC build for 2016. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into this video. So first off, let's start with the CPU. For the CPU, I went with Intel's i5 6500, and this CPU is a quad core that is a 32 GHz, which can be overclocked to 3.6 GHz, and it uses the new Skylake architecture. This CPU goes for about $199 US dollars. And for the motherboard, I went with Gigabyte GAH110M. This supports the socket 1151. It is a micro ATX keyboard, and it can hold a maximum of 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. And moving on to the RAM that we're going to be using for this build, we are using Kingston's HyperX Fury 8 gigabytes, which is DDR4, and this is about $39 US dollars. For the hard drive, I went with Western Digital's 1 terabyte hard drive. This is the 7200 RPM. The reason I chose this because I really like it. It's a very low price, and it has enough storage for now until you have a bigger budget, so you can buy SSDs for faster transferring and all those other things. So now for the graphics card, I'm going to be using Gigabyte Radeon RX 480, which I find is one of the best budget video cards that they have out there, or graphics cards that they have out there. This has 8 gigabytes of GDDR5 RAM, which is basically the graphics RAM, and this comes in at around $240, which is not too bad, but I saw other sales, so maybe you guys can wait for the sales. And just moving on into the power supply, I went with Corsair's 600 watt bronze power supply, which came in around $37. So that's all I have here, but if you want a case included, I will go with the Roswell Galaxy O1 case. It's only $20, and it really has enough space. It supports the micro ATX for the motherboard, so it's compatible. It has no excess space or no less space. It's just enough for this. And the design is not too bad itself, and it's really low on cost, only $20. So without this case, the total cost of this build is exactly $609 US dollars. I know it went over the 600 mark, but it's just by $9. But if you are including the case, however, this price increases to $629, which is approximately $29 more than 600, obviously. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for this PC video. If you really enjoyed them, leave a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and there will be more of these videos out in the future, so please stay tuned, subscribe. Anyway, BKR, catch you in the next videos.